Okay, here's the heavy duty broom. It comes unassembled, so it fits in a nice size box. And assembly is very easy. So I'm gonna start at the bottom here. You just pick up the bottom part. Here's the bristles here. They're a nice texture. You can tell why it's heavy duty. So all you do from here is just screw it in. So you screw this one in the bottom, just go until it stops. And you get the next piece here and you screw this on. You get the next piece here, screw this on. It's got a nice pad here where your hand's gonna rest. Then you take the top, screw the last one in. And it's got a nice handle on top and it has a loop for you to hang it somewhere. So here it is. So now let's take it outside and use it. So I'm gonna go out here on my back patio. And I've got some leaves and grass and stuff there. You can see, I'm just gonna sweep it very easy. You see it's a nice height, so I don't have to lean over. So you just sweep everything off.